Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and just go to the photo mode, so the standard mode. And right now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the third position from the left we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got, let's say, 4 different options from which we can choose. So we can set a 10, 5 and 2 seconds delay, and of course keep the timer turned off. So in order to set the timer, just tap on the option like to use. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon changed slightly, which means that we just successfully added the countdown. So let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, it will work the same with all other options, so with 2 and 5 seconds delay. Of course, let me pick 2 seconds delay. It will be the same situation, but right now your device will count down from 2. If you'd like to turn off the camera, not the camera, but the camera timer, just tap on this icon here without any countdown, and from now on your device will take photos almost right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.